work every day till we meet ends. I fi turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me what you're drinking, car. Good time, good time,
It's Monday, guys.
What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
We are on our way. Get some food. Hungry. You know, get up early this morning and, you know, take care of some business. And we're gonna do a shoot in a bit. Yep.
I mean, probably I'll come work and that's when you're...
Well, yeah, because your son bad. Bad. So, yeah. It's gonna be a pretty chill day. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, what am I laughing?
It's gonna be a chill day. It's gonna be amazing. Are you my lover?
Why, the game? Divine to leave, go on Divine. Anyways, when we reach our destination, y'all will see me back. Same can't wait. Yeah guys, so we're at Tracks and we're going to look what we want to order now off the menu. I'm hoping I can hear me. Swim? Yeah. Hopefully this is better than the other day. Welcome to Houston, go Tracks and Markets. My name is Simone, whenever you're ready. Alright. Let's get our food, guys. Where you get again, Divine? Curry seafood. What's in it?
Seafood or curry.
And white
scallops and some other things.
white rice, what that plantain. What's in this little thing here? That's some vegetables. I got a regular chicken sandwich with ranch and coleslaw, fries, and all that good stuff. Oh, will you get a drink, you know? What's name again? Just need to go back up there. Drink for you?
No, I'm good.
Not yet.
It's a little Miss Muffin, fresh out the oven. Can I take a bite? Cause you look so scrumptious, voluptuous. I'm loving it. Now you got me singing, oh yeah. Now I got you up and say I love million, singing, oh yeah, oh yeah. In the club, in the hood, in the building, singing, oh yeah, oh yeah. You don't even know why you're turning up your radio.
I can't reason about anything. You see your daughter, I tell her straight.
I will care for her, I promise you. I promise you, I promise you, I will care for her. I promise you, I promise you, I promise you.
But it's alright, it's better than over a bar when you know.
Yeah, at least them seafood, them first thing can dry.
On the van, look how I'm climb them rock there. Yo, them rock there easy. No sir. We're out on Palisade Strip. We were supposed to, like, we're trying to do a shoot, a night shoot. See me? I don't know where my look fine now watching. See me? I guess I'm looking if the view suits him.
We have vlog more far. Yeah, that I forgot to do a day, yo.
It now work?
No, on a night. The one I shoot today already, but want a day one now, yo.
Alright, so Mommy birthday.
Extra E, man.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Mommy, what you want? What you want? What you want? What you want? Say something.
2 thumbs up.
Boa. 4.
Live.
And what else? So how your birthday went?
Jesus, when you just come, you can't give me a break.
How was it, Mommy? Come man, no more. Tell me no.
It went good. It was great.
Wait for it.
Somewhere.
Got all the love.
No.
Yeah. Big up everybody today. What make me feel special.
Oh, you want to laugh?
Oh,
When
no,
a man-
no, yeah, move it.
What
Yeah,
She does extra so.
You can't. So what do I do? Not make messy now. Why nobody know what?
Nobody She's too far.
Yes, so I go like you want to intro the camera. No,
Just the way I say.
you ain't not saying nothing still.
Exactly. So time for your talk and your last day.
Yeah, we are trying to get that shoot done. We couldn't get it done yesterday because of circumstances. You know what I mean? But that's how it is sometimes. Why you trouble about it?
Because I got really interrupted.
When you do that, you mess up my vibes. I'm going to put a vibes on. Watch out. Be a miserable listener. Or miserable face and go. Miserable face and beat face no work. Tell them no.
My heart divine.
Turn on the AC.
Night did catch you yesterday when the show
No, you want that. No, you want that. I am the AC, you want that. No.
Yo, me not even feel nothing, you know. So shut up. Gonna try to get this done because yesterday night did catch me, so we have to try to do it today. Yeah, because we're not gonna have any other days right now to get this done. How was the entire trip, Divine? How did it feel to be on my vlogs?
Yeah, I'm a best trip.
Okay.
It was good. It was a great trip. Like, I enjoy every moment.
Okay.
I'm a camera with your camera still, but
What do you mean? Oh, yeah. He get camera shy. When we go out in the public, he can't handle people looking at him all the time. So, yeah. But, so yeah. So, we're also going to try to do 2 more videos for my channel, while we go out there to do this shoot and all that. Anything you want to say to the subbies, them, man? Because they're really showing love.
yeah, respect for the love subbies. Like, enough love goes out to the subbies, yo. But thanks for the comments, I see them. Like, I hear them, I say, oh, John, I don't know still, that looks something there. I always tell every time I look one, I come like the first time I see it. So I always get that look there.
Alright. You guys heard it.
You're late. You're so much late. And I want to say thanks to Miss Juanita. I want to big up anywhere she is.
Mommy cuss her off.
I cut me Sarah.
No, I'm telling you for cuss off Shami, but she'll come tell you about all your things.
I'm supposed to say aggressively happy. Cause why? 2 thumbs up for Annie. Juanita.
You never expect the subbies them to go show them type of love they do.
Yeah, me realize that real people still about. And big up yourself, Juanita. Anywhere you're there, you're large.
Yeah, me second that, big up yourself.
Yeah,
What's your name again?
Juanita, big up
Juanita, big up yourself.
large, yeah,
Yeah.
Pick up your face like
Yeah.
this.
Who you
Pick up
talk?
yourself.
Who
You know what? That's international.
Just chill the vibe. Nobody, no,
Yeah.
you know, nobody deal with our kids. You know, just.
Trying to look up yourself, yeah. I'm dopes.
Alright.
You know,
Yeah, you're not
She
getting.
already did.
I did not see.
We about to head out. It's like after 11 now. We're going out for dinner. Yeah, Divine is leaving in the morning. I mean, I'm at work for go back to and all of that, so he gotta go. He be back soon. Yeah. So yeah, it's his last night. So we're gonna try to have some fun. We'll go, you know, I'm gonna say go. I think we're going to South Beach. Initially we're going to go to Red Bones Cafe. Yeah, I'm ready. See him then.
Subbies, oh God. That name them bad still, you know. Subbies.
It's just short for subscribers.
Wow. I never know. I think it is stand shot for submarine. Come.
So earlier today I did a shoot, the photo shoot I told you guys about earlier that we were going to do. Divine took the pictures. We went out by like Port Royal side and we got those shots. I'm actually wearing the same outfit that I took those pictures in. So yeah, just look out for them because we literally just we were on the road after the shoot. I didn't do much, so I actually wanted to wear the same thing. So yeah, not that fussy, but yeah, so look out for those pictures. They'll be up soon. But today was a busy day, you know. We got a lot done during this trip. I mean, I have like 2 more videos I'm hoping that we can both film together tonight. So yeah.
Left the key.
Huh? Me too, my eyes are burning me. Your eyes are not burning me. So what, you know? Huh? Yeah, me say I already burn, man. So guys, we end up at 100 again. The other day when we came here though, we only came to the bar. So today we're actually here to eat. But we're late, so we actually got the late menu. It's after 11. But I mean, we don't really mind. Yeah, we're on the outside, so yeah, I ordered just some red peas and if I get wings, so yeah. The dark though. So guys, Divine got wings and fries. Right there, so me did get some red pea soup. It done though. See the dish there. Me did hungry. See it over here, so. Now we get 2 hummingbirds. I'm not really so sure what in there Divine chooses, so I'm just go with theme choice. It tastes really good. And the sauce tough him face. Guys, the drink is live. I love it. Especially with the cherry. I want to get from after Divine, guys, but he won't allow me to. Just with it. Just with it. It's really, really good. At least I like it. Not everybody will like the same thing, but I like it. Hummingbird. You like it with it? You drink it with it? You just me and the cherry bank. No, it's not gonna be the same. Morning, guys. We're on our way to the airport now. It's like after 5, going to 6 in the morning.
That time of your vacation, when they hate when you have to go back.
Yeah.
It's just in there. What? Cypress there.
Gotta go to work. Gotta make that moolah. Yep.
Yeah, so back to Uncle Sam place and the 9 to 5 grind, you know what I mean?
But we gonna be seeing him back real soon again. Don't worry, don't worry.
Yeah, don't worry.
Don't be down in the comments saying, so when am I gonna be back in the vlog them? He gonna be in the vlog again real soon. Yep. A lot of things. 2016 is just about moves and surprises. Right, Devin?
Right, what's so sad?
Okay, yeah. So yeah, we're just on our way to the airport now. So when we get there, talk back to you guys. Is he leaving? Any last words?
Honestly, I'm gonna miss
Really?
not really. A joke.
Stay too bad, man. Bird up vessel. You enjoyed yourself?
Yeah.
Good to know.
We'll spend and share. Great. I look forward to the next trip already.
Awesome, awesome. Awesomeness. We're gonna get food now. Well, he might get food. I'm not hungry. I'm just sleepy. It's really early. I don't.
To me, I go in and appetite.
No, but I don't really eat this. I don't wake up so early morning time. You know this. So you know that I'm hungry. My nigga, I saw. Saying that easy. Trust me, it'll pick it up. Definitely. It ain't easy, you know. I mean, I am saddened though. This is always the worst part.
Yeah. Size, one top of size, one top of size.
Yeah, so what are you going to get to eat? Island Grill?
I don't know yet.
So, right now, I was making videos right throughout Divine's visit. Nobody feels that me did now. I have a whole heap. Right now, I have a whole heap of videos piled up on me for going to edit cheese. But right now, when I reach home, like right now, I'm just gonna sleep. I'm just gonna sleep. I need sleep. Like, no joke. No joke. What you got?
I'm gonna get, I'm sure no, I'm gonna get Zen. Some festival, Zen. With some stew chicken. Okay. Jesus God, what you running? With my time to slow down and are free.
No, guys. Going now.
During the boarding process. The general boarding of this flight will commence shortly.
You're the woman attack? Yeah, time for
American Airlines station train.
I'm sad.
But baby won't hear it when I'm gone. It's time to turn on the light.